A busy morning at the garage. One sunny morning, the buses lined up with little problems to fix. First came Benny the blue bus with a squeaky door. "Good morning, Benny," said Mikey with a grin. "Let's take a peek at that squeaky squeal." Out came Mikey's toolkit filled with wrenches, screwdrivers, and oil cans. With a little twist here and a squirt there, squeak, squeak, the door was good as new. Next rolled in Sunny the yellow bus, blinking her headlights sleepily. "I can't see properly," Sunny said. "Let's check your electrical system," Mikey said. He lifted the hood, checked the wires and bulbs, and changed the flickering fuse. In no time, click, Sunny's lights shone brightly again. Why buses matter. As he worked, Mikey always explained things to the curious kids watching nearby. "Buses are super important," Mikey said. "They carry students, help reduce traffic, and keep the air cleaner when more people ride together." The kids nodded. They loved learning from Mikey and they loved riding the bus to school. An emergency! Suddenly, a call came in on Mikey's radio. "Milo the minibus has a flat tire. He's stuck on School Street." Mikey grabbed his jack and tire iron, zoomed off in his little red service van, and reached Milo in a flash. "No worries, Milo," Mikey said. "You'll be back on the road in no time." With a few quick moves, spin, lift, tighten, Milo had a brand new tire. All aboard. By the end of the day, every bus was fixed, clean, and ready to roll. "Thanks, Mikey," the buses cheered in beeps and honks. Mikey wiped the grease from his hands and smiled. "Helping buses helps kids, and that makes me happy." And as the sun set behind the garage, Mikey gave one last wave to the buses heading out for tomorrow's big day. Educational fun facts. Mechanics like Mikey check brakes, engines, lights, and tires to keep buses safe. School buses are designed to be extra strong and bright to protect kids. Keeping buses in good shape helps the environment by reducing pollution.